In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up RDP so that way you can control your Raspberry Pi from a Windows PC. This is a convenient way to access your Raspberry Pi without the need of extra peripherals. On the Raspberry Pi, you'll first want to open up the command prompt. So we're going to run the entire bash session as root by typing in sudo su. Then we'll do apt-get update to list all of the available updates, and apt-get upgrade to install those updates. Once that's done, we'll install the required software, which is xrdp. And to do that, type in apt-get install xrdp. Once that's done, we'll need to determine our IP address for the Raspberry Pi. To do this, type ifconfig, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi, your IP address will be found under the WLAN. Then on your Windows machine, launch the built-in RDP application. Then type in your IP address and hit connect. You'll be prompted to input your credentials, and once you do so, you'll be remoted into your Raspberry Pi.